Hello, in this Bitrue tutorial I'm going to show you step by step everything about Bitrue. So this is really beginner stuff. I'm going to show you all what every button does. Like this is really going to be an in-depth tutorial. So be sure to watch till the end because there are some things that you need to know before you start doing anything. But the first thing that you need to do, of course, is to download Bitrue. Download the app on your phone because the app is really good. You can also use on desktop, so link on description, link in the description. Bitrue. But yeah, so after you have signed up, this is when you first log in. This is what you will see. So here is the banner, showing different kinds of things that you can do. Then there's the biggest coins here, showing how they do, and of course their BTR token here. Then you have deposit and withdrawal and credit card. So what this means is that when you click deposit, you can select coins that you want to deposit on Bitrue. So let's say that I had some let's go with DGB. If I had DGB, this is the address where you want to send your DGB. You know what I'm saying? And withdrawal is when you want your coins to change your coins to other exchanges or something. This is when you do it. So let's say that I would change my PDR to somewhere else, and this is how I do it. Get the address and select the quantity and everything, and then just withdraw your crypto coins. There are some fees, but that's how they make money. So there are some fees on this platform, of course, because it's free to use. Then there's the credit card. So when you click that, you can straight up buy 6 different cryptocurrencies straight up with your credit card. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Luna. Very nice. There are also some fees, and it takes 10 to 30 minutes for the cryptocurrencies to reach your wallet. But besides that, I love this, that they have so many cryptocurrencies here too. Then they have the rewarded tasks here, which are just you can get daily free cryptocurrencies here. Every day you will get free cryptocurrency. That's also what I like. Then there's the power piggy method, but power piggy thing where you can you can straight up put some BTC on here, and then you will get interest on that. So you can earn interest on it for your cryptocurrencies. So they have Bitcoin, XRP, VeChain, Link, DV, Luna, ZIL, EOS, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitrue, NPXS1, Ethereum, ADA, TRX, and HOT. You can buy all those cryptocurrencies and then just put them on Power Piggy. So yeah, that's one thing you can do. Then there's get tipped feeder, Bitrue, Telegram group, some coming soon, launching things. Then they have the affiliate program here, you can join it. And you can see gainers and losers here. This is really helpful. You can see what coins are popping right now and what are not, what are not popping. Alright, I mostly look like, but anyway. Then you have market here. You can change. You can go through all the pairings here really easily. Like this is just simple to use, easy to use. It just works. It's fast. Then they had the trading desk here, so you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies here. Really easy to use, simple. So when you put this like on 100, that means that you're going to sell all your bitcoins to buy BTR. So the one that is on the right, that is the thing you're going to sell, and the one on your left is that what you're going to buy. So you can see the sell and buy buttons here. Just watch those and you can see what is. You can realize what's happening here if you don't know, if you haven't never used these like these before. But anyway, then when you select 50%, that means you're going to sell 50% of your BTC to into BTR. So that's what's happening here. You can trade different coins here. You can select the coins and pairings here. Now with XRP, like whatever. Then just buy it, and then the order will go through the trade will go execute, and then when you go to assets, you can see all of your assets here. Pretty simple to use. You have this graphic here also showing everything, you know what I'm saying. And then you have the me thing. This is like you know, your own profile and that kind of stuff, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so that's how you can, you know, start using Bitrue. If you still haven't signed up, if you click the link in the description that says Bitrue and join under me, thank you so much. That would mean world to me. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.